don't need to be doing this right now.
It always stays the same as you were.
I never asked you to be here.
Oh my God, that's so scary. Oh, hide me.
You came here on your own free will. You got here by yourself. We can't keep doing this. Get away from me.
In this world.
You made your own decision. You can't blame me for everything that happens to you. I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry, baby. I'm so sorry, baby. I never meant to. I'm sorry, baby. What are we gonna do? Are we gonna make this work?
You guys, I did a thing. I did the thing.
I got myself a Dyson!
Who do I think I am? Listen, today you're going to unbox a Dyson V8 Absolute with me. Welcome to my channel. My name is Djena. If you are new here, please go on ahead and subscribe because it is the fun place to be over here, okay? And if you are a returning subscriber, hey! Djena went and got herself a Dyson. With the cost of living crisis? I did it. Now I was just like sitting here trying to figure out, do I open her? Or do I not open her? Do I just give her back because we are going through a cost of living crisis? But, I mean, if the cost of living crisis is affecting you the way it's affecting me, girl, you will understand why I'm hesitating so much. But listen, we only got this one life. I got her from Curry's. She's $379. Now, I know that's not much to a lot of y'all because all of y'all's is balling. Because nowadays, everybody seems to be rich on the socials. But there's that little 5% of us who are still living this real life, who are going through the cost of living crisis. And we don't have it like that. And 379 pounds for a vacuum cleaner is a lot of money for us, okay? So, should we do this or should we not? Like, once I do this, I can't return it. I have a 14-day grace period to either return or keep. And y'all know your girl just got a car 4 months ago, but I got a car. Ow. I don't know if you're new to my channel, but if you've seen any of my vlogs before, like your girl was struggling walking everywhere because I was doing my license. But I finally got me a little hoopty-hoo because I passed my license on the first go, may I add. Thank you very much. I deserve this Dyson. No, forget that. Listen, I passed my theory on the first go. I passed my practical on the first go. Don't I deserve this? I deserve this and more. No, sorry, I'm over. Let's do it together, y'all. In a 1, in a 2, in a 1, 2, 3, baby. You have to be part of the family. Oh, I can't return it no more. I'm hyperventilating. This is fine. Everything's fine. I'm gonna find me a sugar daddy and he's gonna give me more than 379 because I deserve it. Let's do this. And you're gonna see how dirty my carpet is and you're gonna understand why I need a Dyson. No other vacuum cleaner would suffice. Our mission is simple. Solve the problems others ignore. Oh, you better, James Dyson. You better solve all my problems. Oh my God. Oh, and it comes with a little contract. I wonder what it says in the contract. I'm not even gonna open that in case I need to return this. I'm not even gonna open that. Mama got herself a Dyson. Excuse me. Who does she think she is? Who does she think she is? Why is this so cute though? It comes with a little manual situation here. That's for the wall mount. Okay, that's no problem. We got all these little pieces. Ain't no going back now. Ain't no going back now. Ain't no going back now. Oh, I love that for us. I don't even know what it does, but I love it for us. I mean, it's this very advanced packaging for me. Oof, ciao. I didn't even finish paying off my car yet, but here I am getting myself a Dyson. This is the wall mount situation here. What else can I take out? Oh, V8 Absolute. We like that. Ooh. Oh, it's heavy. Ooh, it's heavier than I thought it was gonna be. You know what? I already know what she's gonna be called. No, y'all was gonna say Dysonia. She's not gonna be called Dysonia. Thank you very much. Y'all rude. I refuse to call my baby girl Dysonia. Her name is gonna be Bertha. In honor of... If you know me, you know who Bertha is. So, because she's a thick one, in honor of the original Bertha, her name is gonna be Bertha. Okay. Oh, this is cool. Ooh, hair removal reins. Okay. We like that. Bertha, what else you got, girl? Because it's just pieces on pieces. Oh, okay. What's this for? What's this situation for, y'all? I'm gonna have to open up that envelope, aren't I? I can't even try to put this back how I found it anymore. If you guys know any sugar daddies, send them my way. Preferably older ones with no teeth. Oh, is this dirty? No, it's not dirty. They had some nerve. Is that scratched? Is that meant to be like that? Dyson, I know you're not trying me. Is that broken? Oh no, I think it's meant to be like that. The line is on this side as well. And on this side. Is that how it's supposed to be? Is that broken? No, don't play me. Is that broken? Let me smell it. Smells pretty new. And it looks super clean over here. Oh my God, that is beautiful. Oh no, I'm gonna feel some type of way about dirtying this. Oh, that is gorgeous. Lord, look at my nails. You like them? Well, that's our opening right there. Unbox. All right, you guys. So the vacuum cleaner that I had before, that vacuum cleaner, obviously, it was my very frugal times. I didn't have much to invest in a vacuum cleaner. In fact, I saw someone with it on Instagram, and I was like, girl, where you get that from? She was like, Amazon. I said, word, say less. And I went on to Amazon, and I got me one. But you buy cheap, you buy twice. It's already given up, and it does not clean the carpet that I have in the entrance to my apartment. So I needed to get something with the good suction. The suction, okay, not my sucker. Stop it, you guys. Stop. You're putting me on the spot. Anyway, so I needed to get something with good suction because I have like different kind of floors in this one little sardine can that I live in. So the kitchen has like this really stupid floor. And then I have wooden floors throughout like the living room and the rooms. But then I have a carpet in the living room. And then like I have like this really harsh carpet in the entrance. So I don't know. Everything will be fine. Well, I could read the manual. I could. Or I could just do what black people do best. Come on, Bertha. What's this? You guys, I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not gonna read all of these manuals and things like that. I'm gonna go on good old YouTube and watch somebody else's video who done read the manual, and they're gonna teach me how you do everything on this. Okay. From what I read, the battery life isn't that long. I think it's like 30 to 40 minutes. And I think the 40 minutes is pushing it if you're on standard. If you're on max, it's like 30 minutes. But I mean, like I said, I live in a sardine can, so it's not really gonna take me all that much time to clean around. And most of the times I don't vacuum my house like all in one go. So I'll probably like do a room, then finish doing what I'm doing, and go and do another room. So that will give me time to like charge. But I love that I can do this because I can take this to my car and clean my car out, y'all. Because my car is looking like it's been through life. Okay, see, so I can do that and get my car. What? So this is, yo, this is rich people stuff is so good to work with. Look at how simple that is. You just press that button and out. We're gonna put the nozzle, okay? The nozzle. Now, what I need to know is which one is for carpet and which one is for bare floor. Wait, where do I put this though? What does this do? What does this do for us? Hold up. Wait a minute. Dyson V8 Absolute. I saw this man talk about it And the man said everything we needed to know. Here he goes.
16 minutes of runtime. Over here with the V8.
He has like the best,
the non-motorized tools. We
obviously,
have 40 minutes
video
runtime.
for this.
V6
Okay, here we go.
is just like some hard.
Wait, what you say? Oh!
Doesn't mar.
Okay, you guys, I got it wrong. So, according to the vacuum advisor, this one, the really nice one that looks like a paint roller, that one is for bare floors. And then this one is for carpet. So I'm going to use this one right now on the carpet. Yo, imagine this don't clean my carpet the way it needs to. And I'm over here stuck with 379 pounds during the cost of living crisis? Nah. When did this man do this video? Oh, he did his video 6 years ago. He didn't have this in his video. He didn't have this piece here. Ask about me, better ask about me. Oh, it's so beautiful, you guys. Oh my God, I can't believe. You know what, sometimes you just gotta do little things for yourself. Look at what we get excited over when we're at 30 plus. How do you turn it on and leave it on without your finger having to be there? Does my finger have to be there the whole time? Let's go work this thing. Okay, don't mind the mess. Here I am. I'm putting my finger on. Oh my gosh. All right, look at all that nastiness over there. No, you did not. No, you did not. Look at how, what? Oh my gosh. I've never had anything clean my carpet like that. Look right there, next to my phone. Wow. You know what? I'm sorry, y'all. This is worth every 379 pounds during the cost of living crisis. Now, hold on, because I'm going to go to that carpet that I was telling you guys about. Let's go to that carpet. Because if this does something for that carpet, hi, you guys. This is my entranceway. I never show this on videos just because I need to get this entrance organized where I live. It has like this bike shed situation, and I want to put the kids' bikes over there, so I have this space open and those cans of paint. But I'm scared to go in there by myself. I need to like sweet talk one of the neighbors and see if they'll help me out. Don't mind my entrance, y'all, okay? But this is my troubled carpet. No way! Look at how beautiful that is. You see this thing right here? Like, I've been resting my hand there as I'm holding this. Look at the hair that it is scooped up. That is my hair, y'all. That's my nasty hair. I am flabbergasted. No, honestly. Now I'm gonna try the wooden floor situation. So remember what I was telling you guys, that I have like this different material in my kitchen floor. So like, I don't know what this is. It's like, I don't know. Well, if you guys know what it is, y'all know what it is, but I don't know what it is. But this situation is so annoying. And then I have this throughout the house, but then I have that carpet. But look at how it cleaned my carpet, oh my God. The only thing that I will say though, is that I wish this vacuum cleaner was a little bit more like advanced, so that it can tell me how much battery life I have left. The other models, like I think it was like V10, V11, V something else, V100. Those other models tell you how much battery life your Dyson has left. But from the reviews, like I watched a couple of reviews before I went and made my decision, my selection. I saw that like the V8 is better than many of the newer models. So that's why I was like, you know what? Let me just stick to something, you know, quite small. Let me just be humble with it and get me a little V8. I don't need to go all fancy schmancy just because the other one has a digital thing that tells you how much time you have left. But I'm gonna try out the floor one. So this nozzle right here. I'm gonna try it out and see how that goes. Oh, I love the sound of that click. Oh my God. Oh my God, this is amazing. I'm not even gonna try to bring my other vacuum cleaner here to compare the two, because that's really disrespectful actually. There's literally no comparison between the two. The other one gets the job done, but it's like you trying to compare a Hyundai to a Mercedes. You know, I mean, the Hyundai will get you where you need to go. Don't get me wrong, baby. That's what I got. Matter of fact, I got a Hyundai. But, you know, a Mercedes is next level. This is how rich people be living? Sign me up. So what do I have to say about my Dyson, you ask? Well, after like 20 minutes, because I've been at this for 20 minutes. So like after 20 minutes of holding the Dyson, your hand does get a little bit tired. So you would probably put it down. Another thing that I will say, the casing is a little too high. But obviously they need to have the casing like that so that it could protect all that technological situation that's happening inside of it. Okay. It's like they're protecting vibranium up in here. This case is not really trying to go under my furniture. So like with my other vacuum cleaner, her nozzle, what's this called? Whatever this area is, hers was much thinner, so she can go into all of the furniture. I mean, she might not pick up nothing, but at least she can go there. Whereas Dyson can pick up everything, but still can't go there. So who's right and who's wrong? Yeah, so I noticed that it's not going under my couch. It's not going under the TV console. It didn't go under my bed. So I guess I gotta get new furniture then, because I'm not getting a new vacuum cleaner. I'm in love with my Dyson. And I have to get someone that will mount this on the wall for me, because I want it like nicely tucked away. And the other reason why I wanted to get this vacuum cleaner or something along these lines is because, like I said, I live in a sardine can. I don't have space for one of them pull a tug situations. One of them big body, I was about to say big body, one of them big body girls. I don't have space for that. I don't even have like a cupboard. I don't have anywhere like a closet, like anywhere where I can store a vacuum cleaner. So it needs to be something dainty. It has to be something elegant. My day-to-day is about to be so much easier. I can clean up after my kids so much easier. With my other vacuum cleaner, I had to like plug her in and carry the cord everywhere. I forgot to mention that Bertha is cordless. You can go high-low and you ain't gotta worry about carrying no cord with you. Now, if that ain't a win-win, I don't know what is. And I'm not even worried about the battery life. Like I said, like, you know, after holding this for 20 minutes, I'm just like, ooh, I need a break. So I couldn't picture anyone being frustrated because of the battery life. Girl, sit it down, put it to charge, get you a coffee. Obviously, I need to explore more things. I need to figure out what this does. Anyway, I might read the manual. What we needed to do together, we did it, which was unboxing it and just giving it a little test try. I hope you enjoyed this wonderful moment with me. This just brought us closer. We got to mold these core memories that I will carry in my heart, and so will Bertha. Bertha, tell them how you're gonna carry this moment in your heart forever, girl. So I need to go pull out all the hair from this one, from the carpet cleaner one. I need to yank out all that hair, and then I need to go clean out the filter of this. It's pretty straightforward. I saw it in that man's video. You just click something and this bottom part comes out. So I'm gonna do that. I mean, y'all don't need to see that. You want a more detailed video? Go elsewhere. What do you think I am? You think I don't got nothing else to do? All we had to do here was unbox. Thank you so much for putting up with me. I really appreciate you. And if you made it to the end of this video, I really, really, really appreciate you. Thank you. I'll catch you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you guys in our next video. It's me and you now. I've been waiting. Where do we see ourselves in 5 years? We will be happy conquering all of our goals.